Good morning, good day, good afternoon, all of that, y'all. Laundry Day candle is finally here, y'all. If you know anything about Bath and Body Works, or if you've been following for some time, you would know that this year Candle Day, Candle Weekend, which is always the first weekend in December, or the first Saturday in December, we were supposed to get this candle. And then it was pulled off of the sheet for production issues, like they couldn't produce it. Nonetheless, 4 months later, she is here, and let's get into it, okay? So the scent notes in Laundry Day are fresh air, crisp eucalyptus, soft lavender with essential oils. Now, off top, I can tell you, even with the wallflower in Laundry Day kicks really high. And a lot of times when Laundry Day is not available in stores, I'll go with Clean Cotton because they kind of remind me of the same. Now, Laundry Day is giving you a hint of lavender, which is going to give you like that drier sheet feel. But to be honest, the lavender is very faint. So in my opinion, what comes first is you get a little hint of the eucalyptus, the fresh air, and then the soft lavender. Now, the fresh air that's here, remember they have a candle called Fresh Morning Air or Crisp Morning Air. And then you have a winter air. To me, they all running about the same thing, okay? $24.50 at the store. You know, when you catch the $10 off, you can get it for $14.50 or however you have your coupons or whatever. Now, the thing about this is these are Eco Wicks. So sometimes in White Barn, some people say, well, the White Barns have the thicker wicks. That's not always true. Those thicker wicks will be more like your LX, your core. But this is a Screed Eco Wick because it's thinner. You can tell, which means the candle is going to burn slower. Not a problem with that. But you can see some mushroom in there, so that means you just trim it. So I'm at the 3.5 hour mark with this candle. Now, in my small bathroom, is she throwing? Yes. So in my small bathroom, I give this a 7. Now, open concept area, if you watch my reviews before, then on my kitchen counter and then on the other side of the living room, I normally have to light 2. Very rarely I get a 3 wick that I can grade a actual 10 that's thrown across the room. Now, when I originally burned this, the first 2 hours on the kitchen counter, I smelled it throughout the kitchen. But when I stepped in the dining room, I did not smell it. So far as a room thrower, can I give it a Screed 10? That's going to be a no. Now, here's the thing with that, right? That's kind of disappointing in a way because the wallflowers throw like crazy. So, is this living up to the hype of the wallflower? I would say no. No, but if you have the wallflower in the room, then you light this candle, it would definitely intensify it times 10. So I want to pause and go out there and show y'all what I film at, but I'm not going to do all that because, like I said, some people are familiar with my setup in my apartment and how I do, and some people aren't. So again, this is here on the bathroom counter, right? And then if I come out here in the hallway, to the end of the hallway, can I smell it? Yes, I can smell it. And then if I give a view across my bathroom is pretty small. I mean, hi y'all. It's a standard size bathroom. Can you smell it? Like again, I give it like a strong 7 in here. But out there, you're going to need 2. Again, she does not give me a full 10 to be one candle, to be 1 3-wick candle. And remember, my apartment is 955 square feet, 2 bedroom, 2 bath. I do have some where I can light one at the front of the apartment and one at the back and just be like, yes, yes, yes. Would that be like that if I light 2? Absolutely. But y'all know I burn one and I keep one. So I wouldn't burn this second one until I get another one for backup, which I think I did get 3, but I mean, it is what it is. But again, y'all, these come out tomorrow in stores. If you like the wallflower, then definitely get it. This is giving you like a fresh, drier sheet feel, and I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. It's not, like I said, it's not heavy, but again, I am not mad at it. It is giving you more of a crisp linen type of vibes. And before you say, well, don't they have a linen and lavender? Yes, they do. But the lavender in this is so faint, you're going to hardly smell it. The eucalyptus takes over the lavender. So if you do want a linen scent, then they do have a linen and lavender. This is not it. This gives me like you just dried some clothes with a dryer sheet, and I like it. Again, y'all, out of a 1 to a 10, in a small room, I give it about a 7. In a big room, she's going to be, no, in this bathroom, I give it an 8. In a big room, I'm going to give it about 5. You're going to need 2. So I'm going to see y'all on the next review.